Here is my bird of paradise and avocado plant beside it, and I just have added live sphagnum moss in the pot, and let's see if it starts growing in it. As we have heard that if you can add live sphagnum moss in the base of your pot with other plants, it's going to start growing in the soil. This is not in direct sunlight. It doesn't get the harsh sunlight or high temperature, so I'm assuming that this can help, because direct sunlight or harsh temperatures can turn sphagnum moss into a dead one. Okay, so the turn, just a second. Okay, I want to show you a close-up of how it looked like. Oh my god, it's just a beauty. Okay, you see these heads, sphagnum moss heads? I love it so much. Okay, the colors, and just for you guys to know, if you know that green color sphagnum comes only because it doesn't have a lot of sunlight exposure, and in the areas where it has a lot of sunlight exposure, you will see that it will give you beautiful variety of color that is more, what will we call it? It's not red, it's not purple, it's plum, I think. Tell me, what do you think? What color is it? But it's definitely bright plum. Oh, here we go, one head in that color. Okay, hey, why? Come on, okay, it's here now. I hope it will start growing. I'll be sharing the update soon.